Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from CVS. So you guys told me that you prefer the sit down videos on Mondays. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. So first deal is on the Garnier Fructis hair mask. So all Garnier is on a buy two and get $4 back in extra care bucks. So I had that 3 off 2. Garnier CRT that printed, so I showed that to you guys in my video that I posted on Wednesday, and then I paid with a $2 extra care buck and a 3 off 2 coupon that came in last week's Retail Me Not, so I paid 50 cents and then I got a $4 extra care buck. So that I made so I made $3.50 on the hair masks, and these make great like teacher gifts. These just make great like filler gifts, whatever you want to use them for. Obviously use them on your hair if you want. My niece is coming into town with my sister, so you know, maybe I'll give one to my niece, we'll see. So next deal is on the M&Ms. I'm not eating sugar and these smell so good. Something about the whiff of M&Ms, just, that was tough. Okay, so the M&Ms are priced 3 for $9. And I used that 2 off 3 CRT that printed. I had a 2 off 3 manufacturer coupon that came in the Retail Me Not a few weeks ago. And then I also got a 2 off 2 M&M or Skittles CRT that printed. So I combined all those coupons. So I got 3 bags for just $3. So it made them $1 a bag. Really good deal. Well, son, you can't have M&Ms unless you go pee-pee in the potty. Let's all encourage Sawyer to pee-pee in his potty.
Come on.
We're currently potty training right now, so you guys know the struggle. The next deal is on this Speed Stick deodorant. So these guys are priced for $2.49. I had $1 off 1 deodorant CRT and $1.50 extra care buck printed when I bought 1. So after the extra care buck, it made this guy free. So this is the $1.50 CRT that printed. So this is the $1.50 extra care buck that printed, so it made the deodorant absolutely free. So if your child has a male teacher, pick this up, put that in his teacher gifts. So if you guys need some ideas for male teacher gifts, deodorant and M&Ms. I don't know what guy wouldn't want deodorant and chocolate. And then the next deal I did was on the Dimetap. So the children's Dimetap, this is priced for $8.99. And there's a $2 off 1 printable coupon. There was an insert coupon, but it expired on the 7th. But I printed the 2 off 1 coupon from coupons.com. And then you earn a $3 extra care buck when you buy 1. So it makes an $8.99 Dimetap go down to $3.99. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And the Dimetap was regular priced, and I did have a percentage off coupon. So the 25% off coupon took off 65 cents. It didn't take off a whole lot, but it still took off 65 cents, which I thought was pretty good. So my total after all of my coupons, and I had a $10 extra care buck from last week, so I paid $1.59, and then I earned $4.50 back in extra care bucks. So this was my CVS haul for the week. I didn't get a whole lot, but Scarlett has a Halloween party coming up, so I got candy for that. And then, you know, I can't leave the store without free deodorant and free hair masks. And $3.99 children's Dimetap I thought was a really good deal. So this will just go in our cupboard because you never know when the kids are going to wake up with a cough. So this is everything that I picked up from CVS. And then I also have a little clip from in-store about a Conair deal, which is really great. I forgot to mention it in the in-store video from Wednesday, but happy Monday, everyone. So I'm currently inside CVS. So a deal that I forgot to share with you guys is actually a really good one. So the Conair blow dryers, these are priced for $20.99. And when you buy 1, you get a $7 extra care buck. So that's a great deal. And then also this hair cutting kit right here, it is priced for $24.29, and you get a $7 extra care buck when you buy 1. So this is an awesome deal. So definitely head to CVS and check out the different Conair products they have. So it's buy 1 and you're going to get a $7 extra care buck if you have a percentage off coupon. So for example, I have a 25% that came to me in the mail. Check your emails, you could use it here. to make items are on a spend. You buy any Conair and you get $7 in extra care bucks. So if you have one of those percentage off coupons, you could take 25% off. I think I'm actually going to go back and get the hair clippers because I do have 2 boys and a husband. So I think it might be worth my while to learn how to cut boy hair. So I think I'm actually going to go back and do that deal later on in the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've done a lot of videos. So we have our Target in-store video that's already up. We have our CVS in-store video that has been up since Wednesday. So I'll link both of those videos. And I also did a video on how to deal with a rude cashier. So definitely watch that so that you guys can know what to do if you experience a rude cashier. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. We are about 50 away from 19,000 followers on YouTube, Mom. Almost 19,000 people follow me.
Go to CVS and ask them for some.
Yeah, CVS, hit me up. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.